I'm in downtown San Diego for the first time in like 30 years. And it's New Year's Eve. And we got about a half hour to go before midnight. Never been here. We're in the Gaslamp District. I say we because I'm with my daughter, but she doesn't want to be on camera, so. And there's already ambulance action going on. So I've never been here on New Year's Eve. Haven't been here in a very long time. But I thought I'd check it out because we're here. How we doing on time?
10:30.
11:30, half hour. 30 minutes. $30 minutes for 2025 to be gone. Street hot dog. Smells good. A lot of these places look pretty awesome. The party will be in the street soon. Harry Christmas.
They're masking.
They're Buddhist.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what they're wearing.
Oh, that's fine.
Gotta go over there. We're gonna go check out the Buddhist soon. As soon as this light changes. This is pretty fire right now. This is pretty cool. I had no idea what to expect. It's pretty cool. Bringing the positive energy on this New Year's Eve. Oh, I gotta go check out this motorcycle. Nice Harley. Very nice. That's the club you want to go to right there. This is a Grinch look. Happy New Year! There's a happening club. Happy New Year! 2026 up on the building. Onyx is welcoming in the new year. There's street hot dogs on every corner. Got to walk through the gauntlet of street hot dogs. Fried chicken, catfish, mac and cheese. That's the bomb. fish, you know that's good.
Wait, is that part of the photo or is that just...
But we're getting real close. We're getting real close. Well, it's our turn. All right, it is definitely happening. We're almost 15 minutes out to midnight. And another street hot dog thing. This is pretty crazy, huh? What do you guys think? Happy New Year, by the way, everybody. And I know you're going to see this after the New Year, but I hope 2026 brings everybody positivity and all your dreams come true next year, 2026. And it's also America's 250th birthday. So it's going to be a crazy year. A lot of people are happy this year's over with. So in a few minutes, we'll be over with this year and on to 2026. I think we're at about 15 minutes. The Hare Krishnas are still rocking over there.
Too much to look at. You can forget where you're at.
Get your vape. Get your downtown San Diego vape special. Okay, we're almost at 10 minutes out now. Get your vape, come on down. 2026. 2026 is coming in. These plays are not happening. They need to get some music going. I know. Well, they don't have any music going. They probably don't want to deal with it though, you know?
They're so tiny.
Okay, we're getting close. We gotta look at the old time here. $11 minutes away. Wait, 9 minutes away. Probably more like 8 now. 8 minutes in downtown San Diego at the Gaslamp District and the lit up transportation. All right, I think we go back to the corner we were at, huh? Nice, I like it. Cool house. It's pretty festive down here, I must admit. Yeah, you like the vape bag? How we doing on time? It's How's our time? 2 minutes. Okay, we're getting close. I think we're at about 2 minutes.
Oh no, we have 1.
1 minute.
Almost. In 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Okay, 1 minute.
1 minute. 2026 is almost here, folks. Here we go. We're counting down.
It's almost 30.
30 seconds.
5 seconds.
45 seconds.
I like that they're running outside.
45 seconds. Where are we? 10 seconds. 30 seconds. Getting close.
The tree is opening up. Remain on the sidewalk.
20 seconds.
Okay, wait.
You ready? 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year, everyone! Woo! And the fireworks, let the fireworks commence. We're in the wrong part of the block. It stops raining for us.
I know that's right.
Woo! Woo! Some of my resolutions, I need to get healthier, I need to work out, I need to lose some weight, and learn more about myself, what drives me. What else? Try to go see more live music. Practice guitar more. And just try to enjoy life and shut out the negative people in the world that love to spew negativity and hate. Those are some of my resolutions. Nice Corvette, brand new Corvette here. Like the blue color. Well, everyone, thank you for joining me today in San Diego for New Year's Eve and New Year's night. And happy 2026. Hold on, I want to see some of these property values. Look at the property values around here. 1.5 for 3-bedroom. Nothing's cheap anymore. Anyway, I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.